Hi, my name is John Losi, and I'm working with the Rolling Hills Coalition to create a new resource for us to combat homelessness in central Iowa. What we're doing is we're building a community, an online community where we can get together, share ideas, share resources, get together as a overall community to combat homelessness in central Iowa. This is the Rolling Hills Coalition community. And you are all invited to become a part of this community so that we can get together, we can collaborate, we can work together, share ideas, come up with great things that we can do to help people out. So understand this community, if you join, you're seeing my timeline right here. We're just starting this. So you're seeing that there's a timeline that when you sign up, maybe you want to follow some topics, you want to go to an event, you want to do some work in some groups. Everything that you sign up for shows up in your timeline. Now, what else is here? We have topics, and we have a general topic that talks about the Rolling Hills Coalition, but also you'll notice the different communities that are in central Iowa. And here you can connect and find out if you want to follow one of these communities, one of these topics, you can keep up to date with everything that's going on in those areas. We also can create events. You can share what your specialties are. We created groups. Now, in the group section, there are different sorts of things that like mental health, housing, resources, community solutions. Also in these groups, coming up, we're going to do a conference on homelessness. And it's an open space conference, more about this later, but it's a place where we're all going to gather together, share ideas, come up with solutions, and it'll start with a conference design session where you get a chance, everybody's invited to come and design the conference that you would want to attend. So this is the Rolling Hills Coalition community. And we want to invite you to join this community, join in on exploring powerful and creative solutions to deal with and resolve and solve homelessness in central Iowa.